Hi, you're watching EdgeHub. Now let us start the video.
Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis for the preparation of benzaldehyde from benzene. Now let us see the complete reaction of Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. First, let us write the complete reaction of Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. Complete reaction is benzene with COHCl and AlCl3 will give benzaldehyde. Now let us get into detail with the mechanism of the Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. We have C triple bond O. We will get minus on this. This is coordinate covalent bond. It takes H from HCl and forms HC triple bond O. Now as there will be plus on O, it will break towards O and converts into HC plus double bond O. This as a whole attacks on benzene and forms benzaldehyde. So this is the mechanism of Gatterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis.